Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with myself. I'm Justin here at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda, here to show you a quick tutorial on how you can save at the pump by using the Econ button in your Honda vehicle. I'm currently sitting in the 2018 Honda Civic hatchback in the Sport Touring trim level, and we can find that Econ button right by the gear shifter. By pressing the Econ button, we are increasing our fuel efficiency, which at the end of the day saves us money. You'll notice your gas pedal will feel lighter and feel slightly less powerful. The Econ button decreases the horsepower of the vehicle and has less torque, which gives a smoother throttle response. The Econ button also decreases your air conditioning. It will take longer to cool down your vehicle, so a little trick to cool down your vehicle when it's not in Econ mode is to let it cool down for a few minutes and then let it get to a comfortable temperature and then switch it to Econ mode. The Econ button is great for those long drives, especially when using cruise control. So that just about wraps it up for this quick tutorial on the Econ button. Save money at the pump, help your fuel last longer. If you'd like to learn more, come visit us at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda. I'm Justin Bean. Thanks for watching.